Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching this YouTube channel. Today, if you are an NGO CEO or if you are a businessman or businesswoman or someone who wants to work with organization or businesses, this video is very important for you, okay? Whether you're a student, whoever you are. Now, there are two things I want to teach you today, just two. It's very important. If you quite remember very well, when you work in any organization or business, there are two things that you regularly be doing to keep your business in a marketing level and also to stay connected at the level of engagement. Okay, the first thing you'll be doing every time is signing documents. That's for sure. Signing document with your funders or with your partners or with your customers, etc. The second thing that you always be doing is doing flyers, especially now that we are in the world of online marketing. Everyone can do online marketing through Facebook, through WhatsApp, through a lot of channels. And one of the things you must learn is the art of designing flyers. And of course, you and I know that this has always been those areas where you have to pay. Especially in signing documents, you will need to pay companies maybe to buy apps. Most of the apps that allows you to sign documents now are paid. It means you have to subscribe for some years, and then every year you have to subscribe for them to give you that option. Okay, especially the scanner apps. But of course, I have a newly published app that you can do that for free. But after some time, they are going to introduce payments. But of course, they are new and they want people to start using them. So they'll first of all give you for free, bring in people, and then before they initiate payments. The second one is the app that you will use to design flyers. This app, you can get it from different companies like Facebook, Google, etc. But we'll be using Google Gemini. It is so free. Okay. You and I know that designing flyers is a whole lot of work. You have to think, you have to all kinds of manner of stuff, to come up with a skill to do that. But AI, all you need to do is to put your prompts. I'll be showing you step by step how to do this. All you need to do is download those apps and I show you what to do. And then next step, we'll just do some prompts. You see how you can adjust in terms of your prompts, tell it what to do, how you want the flyers to look like, etc. So if you can learn this skill, you are going to save a lot of money and also facilitate your work as someone who works in an NGO or any other business. Let's jump in. Let me show you what I mean. Hey guys, so once you go to your phone, I am inside my Play Store right now. You find this app, okay? So this is the name of the app, PDF Gear Scan. Now I have already downloaded. If you have not downloaded, you will see install here. So I have already installed, and then it says open. I'll go and I'll click open. Well, the moment I click open, I have a certain document that was sent to me through email. Okay, let me go and check. Remember, this is my phone, so this is the document. This is my course outline of my Power BI courses that I teach. You see, this is a course outline. I want to sign this course outline. Okay, I'll come up here, open these three dots here, and I click save as, and I'll save in my device. You see, and I'll go to document and I save. Once I save, I'll come down here and then I write the name of the document, how I want to save it, and then I'll come here and I click saved. Now this has been saved in my system as PDF. Remember, I'll go back now to the other areas of my phone, inside that app that I have opened. Where is the app? Where is that app? Okay, this is the app. It is open here. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll come here to all files and I'll click. This is all files here, and when I click all files, it says import images, create folder, and it says import PDF. I'll go now and click on PDF. The moment I click on PDF, you see that it brings out my updated course outline, what I just save now from my email, and I'll click. The moment I click, now this could be any document that you want to sign. Let's say you have many pages of your document. Okay, you will now come here and click all, apply to all pages, and you click this. The moment you click that option,
The tool has already identified all the pages, and then you come here now and you click done. The moment you click done now, then your document is ready for signature, and then you click sign. You come up here under here and you click sign. Now when you click sign, these are other signatures that I have used previously, but you who don't have a signature, if I want to use my signature now here, I'll just click this signature. Once I click, I'll select any area on this document and I'll tap. You see, the moment I tap, that's the signature, and I can begin to adjust. You see, I can take it anywhere in the document, maybe where you wrote your name, and take it to the area where you indicated that you want to put this signature, and you put it there. You see, or if I want to create a new signature, I can just delete this one and I go to here and I click create. The moment I click create, you see it automatically opens my phone like this, as you see. So I can write anything. I'm just using my finger now. You see, you can use even your, but I prefer for you to use your finger. I can come here now and I clear this off. Okay, I can put an image, okay, to act as my signature, maybe my logo. Okay, maybe I want to put my logo, maybe this logo, and I click done. The moment I click done here, you would see that when I come back and I click sign, that image appears, and I choose that image and I click any area in my document, you see that image is there. Okay, so you can still do this. You can take a snapshot of your stamp. Oh yes, you can take a snapshot of your stamp and you crop it properly, and then you snap it and then bring it in a picture format. You see now, so these are ways that you can do it. I can still come here again and I go to create signature and I click type, and maybe I just want to type my name as my signature, right? I'll put Hillary, you see, and then I come to this button up here and I click done. The moment I click done, I can change the colors. You see, I can just come here while I'm tapping these colors here. I can begin to tap these colors. You see, I'm using my phone, guys. This is just my phone, okay? And you see, and then while I'm done, I just click done on my phone, and when I click done, I come again to sign. That name is also here. I can click that name, click anywhere on my document, and then it becomes a signature. Okay, this is rare to find. Start using this tool. It's important. Start using it before they start introducing payments. Also take note that what we just did was a PDF. You can still do your scanning using pictures, images. Okay, so if I come here now and then I come to maybe documents, I can still come here and I come to import images. Now these are images that you have snapped. Let's say you have snapped your document. Remember, when you snap your document, it will come inside your system in the form of a document. Okay, and that's in the form of an image. Okay, so I can bring this image on. This is my image that I took of Starlink, you see, and this is an image. Your document can also be in this format. It must not be in a PDF format. I'm saying that you can print the document after you have printed and then sign on it, or after you have printed, stamp it and then bring it into your snap it and bring it now into your system, and then select all pages and then click done, and then still go to your signatures now and then choose any signature you want from here. You see, and then click on any area on the document, you see, and the signature will begin to play around. You see, that's my finger going around selecting wherever I want to put it. Okay, so this was just to add to the other previous lesson. To create a flyer, it's simple. What you need to do here is simple. Go to your Play Store. There's a Google Gmail product called Gemini. You see, that's it there. I'll go to Play Store and I search Gemini. So it's an AI. Okay, so you have the desktop version. This is it here, Gemini. It's open because I've already downloaded. So when you click, it's totally free. At least you use it for some time before it start requesting some money to be paid. So here you have create image, build, deep search, create video, and write. Okay, those of you who are writers, you can use that. Those of you who are builders, you can build. Now this is just building website, maybe software, so it can help you, assist you in that. But today we want to create a flyer. Okay, so I'll come here now and I'll select this create image. This is the banana option it says banana create images. So you can also have different look at those options by clicking on that small icon that I just clicked. So I'm going to select create images, and I click. Now once you select create images, you see that the whole space now is allowed for you to create image. I'm going to say create a flyer, okay, and I put semicolon, right, and I put colon. Now maybe your flyer name wants to advertise data analysis. Okay, I'll say data analysis targeting young data students. You see, now maybe I want to add another information on the flyer. Okay, maybe I want to say this should be clear, this should be from NGO Tech on through their YouTube channel, okay. Now I might want to add that on that flyer, time is every 2 p.m. UK / Cameroon time, and then I might want to say, okay, 21st of October start date and 1st of December end date. You see, and I put /2025, and then I click submit. Okay, so it's amazing, guys. Just see what we are going to have here. So it's just about you being specific, being clear, and just keep prompting. You see what has happened? You see? So NGO Tech unlock your data potential, data analysis series every Tuesday and Thursday 2 p.m. UK Cameroon time, start date. You see what it does? Now I can still prompt and say something. I can say, okay, add data analysis tools like Excel, Power BI, full stop, and I click. So I'm telling Gemini that Gemini should add this information on that flyer. Now Gemini understands that that flyer has been created, and any other discussion that follows will be relating to that flyer. Okay, now let's see if it has added. Now we have, you see that we have Excel here. On the first two, we didn't have any tool here. You see, on the first flyer we didn't have any tool. Now we have Excel and Power BI. So it gives us a sign of Excel, sign of Power BI, and then adds SQL. Are you seeing now? Okay, let's